Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from class CDEC 22263 My name is Sufi Ashki binti Ismail.
My name is Nisrina Naziha.
My name is Muhammad Al-Sifahmi bin Saiful Qasimi.
My name is Cik Sailah binti Cik Rahim. And my name is Jasmine binti Muhammad Jahan Alam.
So today we are going to conduct a charters experiment for our mini project assignment.
To conduct a jar test experiment, the water sample was prepared. We are using the water sample from Tasik Section 2 Shah Alam. Next, each beakers were filled with 1000 ml of water sample. 6 beakers were labelled and placed into the jar test apparatus. A propeller was inserted into each beakers without touching the beaker surface. The coagulant used is aluminium sulfate solution. (1000 mg per liter aluminium sulfate coagulant was added in increasing doses to 5 beakers using a pipette. In the control sample, the first beaker was left as a blank. 1 ml for the second beaker. (2 ml for the third beaker. 3 ml for the fourth beaker, 4 ml for the fifth beaker, and 5 ml for the sixth beaker. The jar test apparatus was adjusted to 140 rpm for 3 minutes to observe float formation. Then, after 3 minutes, the jar test apparatus was adjusted to 70 rpm for 5 minutes for slow mixing. Then, the beakers were left undisturbed for 50 minutes in 0 rpm to allow the float to settle. 50 minutes was done. The propeller was lifted and the test is complete. The first parameter is the pH testing. The pH meter was rinsed with distilled water before measuring the pH. Six of 500 ml small beakers were prepared. Each beaker was filled with water sample after settled down the floor. A pH meter was inserted into beaker without touching the beaker surface. And the data of the pH were recorded. Next parameter is turbidity test. First, 6 of turbidity bottle was prepared. Rinse the turbidity bottle to remove any residual chemicals. Next, each turbidity bottle were poured with 10 ml of each of the sample by using shrink. Before inserting into the turbidity meter, the surface of the cell was wiped clean. And lastly, the reading were recorded. The last parameter is color test. The square cell bottle was prepared. The square cell bottle was rinsed with distilled water. Each square cell bottle were poured with 10 ml of each ore sample by using shrink. Next, a blend sample were prepared by pouring a distilled water. Before inserting into the spectrophotometer, the surface of the cell was wiped clean. First, the blend sample filled distilled water was inserted into the spectrophotometer to get zero reading. Next, continue for the oil control and blend sample. Lastly, the reading of the spectrophotometer were recorded.